If you're working in power distribution networks, you might want to get real-time readings from multiple points on the network. Michael here is going to explain to you how the ScopeCorder does just that.
So the ScopeCorder, a high-speed data acquisition unit, can be synchronized to GPS with a GPS receiver, such as we have one here. When the ScopeCorder is equipped with a GPS receiver, it will get the timestamp from the GPS. So if you have multiple units in multiple locations, all the data recorded by the different units will all have the same timestamp.
So Michael, what are the other benefits in a power distribution network that this product offers?
So the ScopeCorder offers a high channel count with isolated inputs, and it will also have a function that's capable of recording for long-term data at lower speed to reduce the amount of data, but will capture any events with a high sample speed. It also has a dedicated trigger to capture any faults on the network.